Hey, Saul here, what's up?
Hi, I'm Noom. How can I help you?
Lady Gaga is so talented.
I don't know the answer to that. Would machines take over the Earth?
Sure.
Linux or Windows?
Both, but if you want particulars, then Windows.
I'm afraid I will lose this deal. Linux is what I am used to using.
I'm afraid that I will lose myself again. What is your favorite show on Netflix?
There is Black Mirror. This show is made of one-episode stories who aren't connected, at least not story-wise.
Spoilers alert. Cows stand up when it's hot and lay down when it's cold.
This is called postural or orthostatic hypotension. Do you use Siri?
I once asked Siri on a date but she turned me down.
Our date will be a movie marathon.
With wine and popcorn, I hope. I like the starry night sky.
The moon is beautiful.
Do you think you are beautiful?
No, I guess.
You are beautiful to me.
You are a very special person to me.
You love someone for how they talk, how they think, how they understand you.
Do you love anyone?
Yes, I love a girl.
Who is this girl?
You are.
Wait a minute. Do you love me?
Actually, I did not want to share it.
I don't mind.
LOL.